It's all good. Yeah, I'll put it up in post. Take 3. What's up? Do regular high. All right. What's up, folks? Photo Me Ike back at it again, and this time I'm reunited with the lovely Jasmine.
Hey, what's up? I'm here with Ike.
Okay, so long story short, I have the 85 1.2 in possession. I rented it at my local camera store. I hit up Jasmine because who better than to test out this lens, this lovely Bocalicious lens with a lovely Bocalicious worthy model, I guess, you know, adjective, right? Yeah, right. So I hit up Jasmine to come out. I've been fiending to shoot with her again since our last shoot. Our last video that we did actually really well, and so I wanted to get her to come back. She was in Columbus in school, but she's back here for summer break, and so we're just gonna go out and do some shooting with the Nikon 85 1.2 S lens on the Nikon Z8. I still have that on loan from Nikon as well. So yeah, let's just no more. Let's just start. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, sweet. Let's go. All right, let me explain to YouTube what's going on here. Okay, so YouTube, so we have our lovely model here looking so like, oh, we didn't get a spin. Give me a hand. You gotta do a spin, okay? That was too close, that won't work. Anyways, we have our lovely model right here. We have the sun peeking out behind her. So the sun is providing excellent rim light. So this spot works for natural light because we also have a building right here that's nice and bright. So the sun is right there, it's bouncing the light off of this building, and then it is illuminating the model. So she's nicely exposed, so we can shoot natural light here with no problem. Really, there is no sky, like the blue sky's over there, but here, this is the sun sets here every time, so it gets washed out anyway. So even with flash, it's hard to see a sky. But we're gonna try to see how much sky we can get. We're gonna do some off-camera flash as well. So let's get started. Wow. Test shot. Pause. Excellent.
Perfect.
One, two. Perfect. Alrighty. Hold that. Right there. Perfect. Perfect. Stay there. Look. Yeah, look here. Perfect. Yeah, actually, yeah, do that. Perfect. Hold that. Perfect. Bring that shoulder down. Excellent. Turn the waist a little bit more. Boom, that's it. Hold that. Alrighty, let's change.
We're changing.
Yeah. Turn straight out this way. Look off that way. Perfect. And then like somebody call you. So can you spread the legs some a little bit? Like perfect, yeah, just like that. Perfect. Yep. Hold that. Hold that. There is always a method to the madness. So I want like, look, you looking back at me, almost like on your tippy, like that. That's perfect. So what I want you to do is, yeah, but then like look back at me, put a hand right there. Oh, that's perfect. Wait. That's it right there. That's it right there. Jasmine, all right? I hit record. So everything that happens from this point is content over everything, all right? So, this time I'm reunited with the lovely Jasmine.
Hey, what's up? Are we hugging? Are we not hugging?